I am Jeder and talk about the planets. And in solar system, Mercury is the smaller planet. And this is Mercury. And the coldest planet, so coldest, is Neptune. Neptune is here as the biggest planet is Jupiter. And the hottest planet is Venus. And this is solar system, and solar system we have orbit for planets around the sun, and this is sun. Sun is very big, and this is solar system as usual. Bye-bye.